I've always upgraded my mats. Like I buy a vehicle and then I'll go to the service department at the dealership and upgrade mats. And every single time I paid too much and I was always disappointed with what I received, the actual performance of the mats. So this video is about the Oedro mat, which is a customized mat that's an upgrade to pretty much everything out there that allows you to simply put it in place. It's contoured perfectly for the vehicle, and then it is a premium material and it's a low cost altogether. Here is a new set of mats for this 2020 Honda Accord. And I actually had the upgraded mats in this Honda Accord. I'm gonna show them to you and how they're not working out and how these will solve the problems that I'm having. First of all, there's absolutely no smell. So when I open these up, there's no smell whatsoever. This is a TPE material, which is super durable and it holds its shape. So, you know, even if it's in the box or whatever, you can like fold it and then it'll go back to its original shape. And so the material is really good. It has a surface texture to it. And basically this is just an indestructible type material for its purpose. And the design, the materials are one thing, but the design on this with the texture that it has both on the front and the back, so it has this texture to it. On the driver's side, it snaps in place as well, or hooks in place in my case. And it has these grooves here to hold water, dirt, sand, that kind of stuff. You get in the vehicle you have snow on your boots or whatever, that melts, it goes into the floor mat, and you can see it's completely contained with these edges around the floor mat. Now you also notice, this is the driver's side, and I'll show you what's happening with mine. You notice it has on the footrest, it has protection as well as the accelerator pedal here, and there's a large sidewall here. So it's able to contain everything. And once again, when you can fold it, so like say you can fold it like this, contain a whole bunch, like a pound of sand in there, take it out, dump it, and then put it back in place, you know? So being able to fold it is a good plus with this particular material. So it's rigid enough to hold its shape, but it's pliable enough to where you can fold it with your hands and hold in a bunch of dirt and stuff or water or whatever happens to be in the floorboard, and then take it out of your vehicle, dump it, hose it, put it back in easily. So I left my car dirty to show you what's happening. First of all, this is the factory mats here that I purchased at the dealership, and once again, pay a premium for them, and they're not performing well. First of all, there's this huge gap here. The mat always moves around. It's not secure in here, which leaves gaps around it. You notice that there's not a solid sidewall around either. You notice that dirt can get right in that little crack right there. So whatever goes in here, water or whatever, goes right over the edge. So not very good. You can see it has a sidewall here, but once again, this moves around and it's not secure. So let's take this out. And you can see what it looks like here. It has those little bumps on the other side, and it still slides around. And so you can see there is dirt and sand underneath the mat. So it's getting in there pretty much all over the place. So let's compare this to the Oedro mat. So this is the passenger side mat, the one I'm having the most trouble out of. It's sliding around. And you can see this is not really contoured. This is kind of flat, and it's like half contoured a little bit on the back, and the front is kind of floppy. And so yeah, it doesn't really hold its shape, so it's not staying in place. And this is the factory Honda Accord from the dealership, upgraded mats. Now here is the Oedros. So you notice it has a full contour. So the front part is contoured. You have this huge sidewall here where this completely has nothing. And then the full shape of it is able to help keep the position. So, and the texture of it, the shape of it and the texture keeps it in place. So it doesn't need to try to rely on these little dimples here to dig into the carpet. So let's clean up my floorboard and put these Oedros in place. Okay, so that's a little bit better as far as the actual dirt and stuff. So all we have to do is drop this in place and push down on it. because it's contoured so well, it just goes right into place. So it's pushing it down, kind of like suction cupped itself into position. And you notice right here on this edge, goes all the way around and secures the entire outer perimeter to keep things from getting in your carpet. You have these large sidewalls right here, and then it contours perfectly. This thing, make sure it's not going to slide around. Yeah, it's pretty good. It stays in position. Okay, so on this driver's side, here's the mat. So let's go ahead and take it out so I can show you. It's all dirty, okay? And you can see, let's go ahead and get this out of the way. You can see where the dirt is going right there underneath that footrest, there where the pedal is, and it's just getting in everywhere. So every time I vacuum the vehicle, I have to go in and take the mat out and then clean up these areas. And even then it's really hard because the dirt tends to just settle down and get down into the bottom of the carpet. So it's hard to vacuum out when you allow so much dirt to build up in one little spot. And this, becomes a problem over time, especially if water gets underneath the mat. It can create mold and stuff like that. So just having the protection is better than having to constantly clean it. Okay, so after vacuuming for 5 minutes, you can see how much left is in those crevices, in those areas in which it was uncovered. It was not protected properly. So now I'll have to do a more thorough cleaning here later on. Maybe, I don't know, but maybe some water, some kind of shampooing, that kind of thing. Use a little bit of water in a shop vac or something like that to try to get that built up dirt. Now this vehicle's 5 years old, and so that whole area would have been spotless clean if I would have used the Oedro mats instead of the ones that I bought, because it's just allowing that to build up over time, and it just becomes a problem. I'm glad there's no mold or anything, or any water got behind there. Okay, so let's compare the mats here side by side. Here's the factory upgrades, and you can see that completely no coverage there, which actually causes a problem. And then the Oedros have the full coverage. So things that fall down here will be stopped, and then they will never reach the carpet. Same thing around the pedal there, and it's completely out of the way. We'll see how that is out of the way for the pedals and allows full access. But yeah, much better coverage here than this mat here. And this material is like a rubber material, and then this one has a different texture, it has a different feel, and it's that very flexible material. So yeah, this is just a better material overall than this one, and obviously a better design as well. So let's go ahead and take the mat, put it underneath the pedals there, and then it has a little snaps here, and here, and then we could turn it to secure it here and here. So it's just like the factory in that sense, so it secures that way. And then you see the pedal is completely out of the way. The mat is out of the way of the pedals, but also giving that coverage. And then there with the footrest, it's able to completely solve that problem of things falling down in there. And then you have a huge sidewall here, and then it's completely enclosed with the recessed area there for mud and different things, sand or whatever it is. And then let's say even if it's not water, just sand gets in this, dirt and sand gets in this floor mat, and it goes in these crevices. So that way the higher part, you still have grip with your feet and stuff without slipping on the sand, because the sand is trapped in the lower areas. So here's the mats, the factory mats from Honda. And once again, I hadn't cleaned up anything yet. So you can see the dirt getting underneath the seat here, because that front portion once again is completely flat. So whatever is up there just flows right over the edge. And then check this out. Look at that. Look at all that dirt. Even though it has that large sidewall, it's not tight enough against the carpet to where it doesn't fit as snugly. So we have this, and then when we take it out, things dump out. So yeah, here's the mat here. And then let's see how much dirt's underneath it. or it's not actually doing its job good enough. You see how much dirt's under there. And there's no center protection there. And here's the other side here. And you can see it's not, people don't sit in this seat as much, but there's still some stuff here, and you can see underneath that seat, or it's just going over the edge, whatever happens to be in this mat. So I can see one of the issues here with the design with the factory mats is that these grooves just extend this way. So whatever happens to be in the floor mat just kind of like spills over this way. With the Oedros, you notice it has these larger grooves, and they don't just go flowing straight towards the end of the mat. They still have to go underneath the front seat, but there's more places for things to go. Sand and stuff like that gets trapped in there a little bit better than this, where it's just kind of driving it over the edge. This one is trying to stop it and divert it and trap it in that center part. There's also a center protection. So it's a single mat that goes from one side to the other like this. And so that way you have protection for that center hump in the middle. So even if you don't have a center passenger, just spilling something or stuff like that could protect that carpet there in the center. And also, you know, putting it in place, it's real easy to just take it out, just grab one side, you can pull the whole thing out, clean it, put it back in. You can clean it with a hose if you want to, dry it off, put it right back in. Once again, once the dirt gets under the mat and just grounds into the carpet, even with some excessive vacuuming, it's sometimes hard to get every little bit of it out. So just protecting the carpet to begin with is so much easier than trying to get the dirt out after it's been underneath the floor mat, you know, like just burrowing into the carpet for a long period of time. So let's go ahead and put the new mats here, the Oedros, and I'm gonna do it with one hand. So we just throw that side there, like so. All right, so we push that side down. Let's go to the other side. All right, so let's push this side down, get it in place. Basically, just lay it there and start pushing down, and it naturally kind of goes in place because it's like perfectly contoured to the vehicle. So it just wants to go in place once you push down on it. Okay, so now we have a much tighter fit here on the edges. They're on the back. We have a better design as far as trapping the dirt here to keep it from going underneath the seat so much. Full coverage there on the center hump. So yeah, this is looking much better. I like the way that center part completely covered from one side to the other back here. And having that one piece mat with that center part just makes it look much better as well than just regular mats in the floor and not there on the center part. So it brings another level of quality and, you know, usefulness anyway. So let's do a little test here. Let's see how much water this floor mat can hold. Because you can see all those channels there, holds a pretty good amount, and it secures it without any kind of, it hasn't even gotten close to the edge. So all that is completely secure. Let me know what you think of these mats. I think I would be a lot more satisfied with these mats over the ones I bought at the dealership. They just have the better coverage and better materials, and I think they look better as well. But yeah, that coverage, protecting the carpet, you know, when you have an investment on a new vehicle, especially the prices nowadays, you definitely want to upgrade the mats. So I was trying to do the right thing by upgrading the mats at the dealership, but they just aren't a good quality material, and also the design is not good. It's just very flaws in the design. Now, if you compare these Oedros to other mats on the market, these are significantly cheaper, and you have a high quality mat. So these were $105. Now, if you go and get some like WeatherTechs or something, they're gonna be closer to $200. Now, the Huskies, same deal, they're gonna be significantly more expensive. The MaxSpider, 3D MaxSpiders, once again, almost double the price of these. So these are much, much cheaper than the other premium brands, but they give you a premium design and material as well. So highly recommend these. Check out the link in the description. Thank you for Oedro for providing these mats and sponsoring this video, and we'll see you guys next time.